Hello again, Tom from Every Step Calculus, everystepphysics.com. Finding maximum and mins in graphing a function. And here's the function that was given. I generally look at Yahoo to find the problem that these students are having, and then they answer it. Index 8 to get to my menu. We're going to scroll down here to the L section, which is local max and min. There it is there. We're going to enter the function. Press alpha before you enter anything in these entry lines here. Function is alpha 8 minus 9 times x squared minus 6 times x cubed. I always show you what you've entered. You can change it if you want. Say it's okay. And I'm going to go scroll up to get to the bottom of the menu. You have to look at my programs and study them a little bit to find out what they have. To notice that local maximum and min is at the bottom of the menu, so we went up on the cursor to get to the bottom quickly. And here we are at local maximum and min. We're going to choose that. And we find the first derivative. When we're finding maximum and mins, remember the first derivative is the slope of a line, right? That's it. 600 pages in a book. That's all you're doing whenever you find a derivative, is finding the slope of a line, okay? The angle of a line. And of course, when you set it equal to 0, an angle of 0 is really a horizontal line. And this horizontal line touches the graph at only one minute point and does not touch the graph at any other points. Crosses any other places in the graph, okay? So that's the system here. And so we're factoring that. We're going to set it equal to 0. We factor it and we get x equals minus 1 or x equals 0. They're critical numbers. They're not critical points. Critical points is when you find the y values for these. Critical numbers are just on the x-axis. And they show you, here's the y and here's the x. At y equals, x equals minus 1, right over here, there's something happening. We don't know yet till we enter these, put these into the original function. And then we find the critical points, minus 1 and 5, and 0 and 8. And we're going to do the second derivative test to find out whether it's a maximum min. Here's the original function, the first derivative, the second derivative. We plug these critical numbers into the second derivative. Comes up with 18. If that's positive, then the point is a minimum. And x equals 0. This is a negative, turns out to be a negative value, so a negative value means that there's a point at a maximum. Pretty neat, huh? everystepcalculus.com. Go to my site, buy my programs, relax. Nobody needs calculus at all. It shouldn't be taught to anybody except a math major. It is a waste of time for all of us. I understand that, but you have to pass these tests and you have to get out of there. And my programs will help you do that. Hey, have a good one.